Bear. Does it have a Dr. Brown Bear?
Oh, my name is Dr. Brown. That's true wrong. No!
Said Dr. Brown Bear. That's what the doctor. He looks like a hospital. He looks like a hospital. He's a hospital man. We have to do it something to get his name through. Yeah, further up. We didn't have to got anything because he's a hospital man. He looks like a hospital. He says Freddy Fox got arrested. Maybe because he don't have good name. Here I come, Cal. Come back, Hughes. Pest. Come back. Gotcha! Freddy Fox. I have you very next. It's your arresting. I have Emily Elephant. With the Granny Greens. I found something good idea. Oh, gotcha! This is a soldier because he want to destroy all the servers because he want to kill me. Police were made. I'm gonna catch you in that tuber with all these traps. I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, I get you. Go back. No! That's a zombie. Because if he jump scares people, he will let people to throw up. He has because he's a scary because he's a monster. That monster looks scary. Oh, there he is! I got you. Oh, you missed it! This is Mr. Bandager. Who lives from science. Oh, that's a science he really He gotta do his homework a long time ago. Look at his man. This is Rebecca Rabbit. Well, it looks like he's just a bit shy. Because he looks like a skin. I'm very confused because Rebecca Rabbit he loves carrots. He loves carrots. We have a game. Except for Pedro. Where is the man? It's the man. I don't see a man. Oh, there's the man! I found the man. Let's go. I'm a bit shy. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna give you a carrot. Please don't leave me. Why did you leave away? Stop doing this. I want you to come back. Ooh, look at that skelly. This skelly looks stupid. Because he's very ugly. That's stupid. I don't want to be free. We have a little bit of grin. And the skelly looks stupid. They look fat. Or poop. They smacked. And then they're in the sun! It's a clowny! It's a clown! A part of the clown will have every day for the birthday party. We don't want the party left. We gotta wait for my mom's birthday on September 7th. If I died no more joint parks, joint parks is closed. Yeah, if I repeat, today we're not playing. Tomorrow we're doing parks. No more comics left. Because I gotta get maxed up. Gotcha, gotcha. We'll hunt for real. That's cool. This is the tiger. The tiger looks weird. It's creepy, confused. Look at that tiger. The tiger's makes it has because Candy Cat's costume. And that's why it made last. What's this? Has Candy Cat's ass funny face. It's like a tiger. He went behind me. Find something with Dad. Get Mandy Mouse. This is Mandy Mouse. He had a friend named Piggy. He lost his legs because robot killed him. That robot killed him. Robots hate Mandy because he wants to infected. He wants to crawl because his legs not working. Get everything else too. Come on, I get you. Can I get you, please? Come back here before time runs out. This is Fuzzy EXE. So he's the cart. That's the octopus. He looks like an octopus. He's going to bite everything. He looks like he has demps 1 trillion demps. To make it strong, awesome. I think I'm going to eat you. Come on, now I'm going to eat you. With this hand, that fuzzy boy. Come back here before time's up. There you go. This is Zoe Zebra. We have him the same dress like us. The real one, not fake. Oh yeah, stop coming on before time runs up. That's enough. Call a ghost. That looks invisible. Because he looks dark. He looks like okay. He looks invisible. Invisible. They found a trap. There's traps to make him powerful. This is Plex. He kills Mandy because he lost his arms. He has song. Because his other hand is gone because he's hurt. He got killed this song. And you gotta go. Let's get stronger. Okay, this is Mr. Bull. I yelled Andy, it looks like. I'm sorry for Andy for Mr. Bull. I just yelled at Mr. Bull. I still agree for Mr. Bull because Mr. Bull wants to build everything. Yeah, dig it up. He lost his tracks. Her track is gone. He needs to go his own. He wants to build everything. He wants Mr. Bull's friends to get on. Because he gets that. There you go. There is chicken above that rooster. He looks like the pirate animal pirates. Oh no! The bar is missing coming up. Hurry up. Come on, Cam. Hurry up. Here it comes. last one, the firefighter, the torture. This is the last place to do ever heard. Before the max time is, for time's up, and this is the last, finally is the last one, the last final jump scare. You have to do it over, you gotta order up, and then, oh, there's the person, there's the guy. I found the guy, I wanna walk, here we go. Yes, he's done! We did it, we can go now, we're gonna kick. Bye. So that's the end for the Piggy Outplay. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to the video for Piggy Outplay. Tap this button. Yeah, tap that button. Please subscribe to right that. Bye. We have your rewards.